Compatibility. The headlight assemblies are compatible with 2006 to 2013 Chevrolet Impala, 2014 to 2016 Chevrolet Impala Limited, 2006-2007 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. High beam bulb type, H9. Low beam bulb type, H11. Bulbs are not included. Improved illumination. The integrated metalized reflectors of this headlight assembly increase light distance for better visibility, driving safety in any dusky conditions. Weather sealed. The fully sealed structure with solid silicone prevents moisture from being trapped inside the housing, provides reliable service in sorts of weather conditions such as rain, snow or dust storms. Impact resistant tough. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses that give great protection against the abuse of road debris impact from branches on the trail, and the high impact housing also better withstands shock and vibration for your off-road adventures. Direct replacement. Professional installation would be highly recommended. Come as a pair, including driver, left, passenger, right, side. Top reviews from the United States. Fresh. I love the switchback feature, which is why I bought the headlights. Very unique. Fitment for me wasn't perfect, but it's not bad where it's a issue. That being said, I really like them.